Hey there, tea sippers, it's your girl Kirsty, and welcome back to Dropping the Tea. I've always got a kettle boiling with the latest gossip, but more importantly, I've got the receipts to separate fact from fiction. So grab your mug, get comfy, and let's dive in. Recently, the internet's been buzzing with whispers that Miami attorney Ariel Mitchell is under investigation by the Florida Bar Association and even the Florida Supreme Court. That's a pretty spicy accusation, but does the brew hold up? Before we spill anything, let's remember who Ariel Mitchell is. She's a civil attorney who's represented women in some high-profile sexual assault cases, including allegations against singer Trey Songz and rapper Diddy Combs. Because she's dealing with celebrities, the spotlight on her has been intense. The chatter about investigations seems to stem from an incident in the Trey Songz case. A witness testified that she was offered a large payment to lie, and the witness's lawyer accused Ariel Mitchell of being behind it. The attorneys for Trey Songz ran with it, filing a motion accusing Mitchell of bribery. So what did Ariel Mitchell have to say? She called the claim complete nonsense and said the witness was actually the one lying. She also pointed out that any complaints about her conduct were sent to the Florida Bar years ago, and the bar found the evidence inconsistent and took no action. In other words, the professional watchdog looked at the allegations and said, "There's nothing here." A Miami newspaper followed up on this, noting that the accusation against Mitchell was dismissed by the Florida Bar. No active investigation, no Supreme Court hearings. Just a lot of noise. Part of the confusion might come from the fact that there is a recent case called Florida Bar v. Mitchell, but that one involves a completely different lawyer, Ryan F.C. Mitchell, who was suspended for misconduct unrelated to Ariel Mitchell. Sometimes names can lead people down the wrong rabbit hole, and this is one of those times. As if that isn't enough tea, there's also a civil defamation lawsuit. Diddy Combs is suing Ariel Mitchell and her client, Courtney Burgess, for allegedly making up wild claims and trying to profit from them. This suit is about reputation and damages, not about professional discipline from the bar. It's more courtroom drama, but again, it's not a bar investigation. So, what's the real sip? To recap, Ariel Mitchell has been accused of misconduct in a celebrity case, but she denies it. The Florida Bar looked into those allegations and did not take action. The Florida Supreme Court hasn't weighed in on her at all. There's a separate defamation case filed by Diddy, which is a private civil matter, a different lawyer named Ryan F.C. Mitchell was disciplined recently, but that has nothing to do with Ariel. At the end of the day, evidence matters. Gossip can be fun, but facts are important. Before we cancel someone or assume the worst, let's make sure we've got the whole story. Thanks for sipping tea with me, loves. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your friends and drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep questioning the rumors, keep your mind open, and I'll keep the tea coming. Stay fabulous.